Here you are with the opening game of the Ultimate FIFA Tournament 2018. Oh, we haven't selected a rule, by the way, so can I need to restart this?
You what, sorry?
We haven't used one of the rules.
What is it?
Oh, what's the rule?
We don't know, we haven't picked one.
Oh, it's just randomly pick one, yeah?
Yeah. Stop. Pause the game. Okay. I'm here with the manager of Uruguay. He's
Hello.
watching AC Milan versus AC Milan. Who's your favourite to win?
Well, seeing as James seems to be the referee, I'd probably go for James.
How would you describe the match so far?
Intense. It's end-to-end stuff. Milan seem to be the better team, but Milan could do with improving. Well, of course, I'm 2 for 2 in terms of wins, so
How do you feel about the next match?
I'm confident. I've got Chris to play.
Yeah, you versus Chris.
And
Ooh, no. Referee. There we go.
what is going on with that Milan kid?
I think the PS3 might not be displaying the kits correctly.
Whoa! Some of the shots.
Duda.
Population of Seychelles is travelling to up for this match.
All day to people.
Ringing Neil Scupsy in the middle of the night saying, Neil, did you know that... remember, like, let means that the ball was going.
We still in the MSN.
You sent him a message on MSN. Did you know?
Oh, look, the Seychelles fans are loving it.
Oh,
Absolutely
on
loving it.
So James,
Come on, boys.
Chris has got completely done over. He was Argentina versus Seychelles, and the rule said we choose teams from scratch, and Chris got Seychelles.
No, he was Tanzania.
He was look.
No, Peter was
Peter's Tanzania.
Get the facts right twice.
Peter's Tanzania. Chris was Argentina, and Chris had to pick again. He got Seychelles, half a star.
It was a clear act of stupidity on his part.
And Peter, in an ironic turn, got Argentina, Chris's old team.
I think if Peter doesn't win, it's a clear act of stupidity.
Oh.
Yes.
Interesting.
Does that mean he'd have to do double shots?
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
This is how far we are on the vodka counter, by the way. I've had most of that.
I got a few.
Sure, I've got Maxi Rodriguez.
Maxi tries again.
Is that a new rule? If Maxi Rodriguez scores, it's automatic
game
win.
over.
Chris also lost the clapping game.
No! No! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I did not lose that.
Actually, no, Peter lost it.
Peter
It was his
lost it.
first shot of the night. I've never seen the man drink so little Fanta. It's all downhill. His nerves are gone.
It's a losing mentality.
Nibarette.
I remember they said they found out in history.
Oh.
Yeah. Mrs. Finnegan? It was just Finnegan, wasn't it?
Finnegan,
Mrs. Finnegan, yeah.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Always changing.
Way. Way. Oi, oi, oi.
I love the doors, by the way.
Very interesting doors, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you pick them?
We did not know they came with the house.
So, was it a new build when you bought it?
Yeah, new builds, yeah.
So did you have like input in like the sockets and stuff?
We could have done, but it was
Why the
already-
sockets? You found my glasses.
Where were they?
Where were they?
I found them.
Oh my god.
Who's down
Oh my god.
there? Right, I'm ready.
Hang on. Swab didn't have a beard in year 10.
I was saying, you know, no one's worn that shirt since July 2005. And I haven't washed it since.
Oh Jesus!
You know?
It's very itchy.
What that smell was.
It's a good thing I have no skin conditions. So, Swaz, how do you feel?
Everything's a bit blurry. I'm not sure if that's the shots or the glasses.
Do you rock Chris's socks, as his shirt says?
Yes, I. Wait a minute. Yes, I do.
And do you love Poppy, as your shirt also says?
I love Poppy. She's
Who doesn't?
Favourite. Is that a camera? Shit.
Give us a sound bite.
Sorry?
Give us a sound bite, Peter. Oh, I mean Swaz, circa 2005.
Unpredictable.
Very good.
He's doing his research.
He's done his research.
I can't believe
He knows the history.
you're wearing the exact shirt from that photo.
That man there.
There he is.
From the day this photo was taken, that's the shirt.
Wow.
It's almost uncanny. The replica is. I look more like Swaz than you did back then.
I know.
Garlil.
So, how's Charlotte Schofield?
I believe she's well.
Good.
Yep. Check out how popular I was.
Sabs, Tom Conley, we had all the big hitters.
It's all the big names of back in the day.
Chris, you have anything to say about this?
That's great.
I'm just impressed. I'm just really impressed.
Oh god.
Oh, down him.
Oh my god, Chris!
God.
Oh my god!
Down him once. You're a horrible bastard.
Oh no.
Chris is a horrible man. I just want to say that on record. January 27th, 2018.
Can't wait to watch this video.
I've left some of that.
You gonna finish it? Oh, what a lad.
It's actually alright whiskey, to be honest.
It's not bad, is it?
It's not bad.
No.
It's just a lot of alcohol I've had. I've had a shot and a half. Well, I didn't need to have a shot in the first place.
I know it's you asking, but is there no way the NC score is going to work?
Yeah, I've tried it like 3 times. It's not
Try
not picking up. I don't know why.
What if we try? Remember the
Yes,
I
old
can
Swaz.
I can name more than.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can I just say I don't want to have any more alcohol at the moment.
Challenge.
Challenge?
Chris, can I get some water?
Yeah, go for it, yeah.
No. You're stuck, naked, waterless.
I can name 6 people from our year in Negev.
I would say challenge.
Just walked out in his butt. Probably. Okay. Fucking hell. If I get this, surely he's got
Yeah,
it.
he'll have to do a shot. You
Callum
challenge him.
I did
Denny.
challenge him, yeah.
Callum Denny.
Yeah.
Kieran Prendergast. Guy Cowan. Luke
Luke
Chittenden. Charlotte Schofield. Fiona Darling.
Yeah, it's guy.
Whoa, is Fiona Darling in?
Of course she was.
she?
What's
Sure.
this?
I feel like Swaz can confirm.
What?
Fiona Darling's house.
Yeah, what about it?
What was it?
What was it?
House. Negative?
Yes.
Oh.
Dude.
Ah,
Down in one.
Oh, it's a horrible little tactic that from Chris.
Yeah.
Dude. Trying to put me up.
I'm genuinely not having any more alcohol for the time being.
Okay.
I hate to say it, but that looks better on him than me. Tell it to Lauren.
You should wear a white polo shirt.
I'm gonna